Alright, what's happening, YouTube? You're watching Steel City MotoVlogs. I'm Derrick T, your host. And today, it is post-work hours. I did do some work earlier today and got out to see a couple clients and made a run by the office. But it's the weekend now. Look at all that traffic on my left hand side, but I don't care nothing about that because I ain't in it. I am on my way to Raccoon Creek State Park for another run at Moto-Camping. I looked at my schedule, I looked at the stuff that I had to do, and determined that if I didn't go today, I actually had no plans on this until today. I decided a little bit earlier today, if I don't go today, it's probably going to be 3 or 4 weeks before I get a chance to. So I decided at about 2 o'clock this afternoon to call and make a reservation. And as soon as I finished my last work-related task, I packed up and hit the road. I'm pulling my Steel City MotoVlogs trailer. Can't even feel it back there. I got a tank full of gas, a cooler full of food, a palace of a tent, and gonna try out a little bit of a new sleeping setup, so stay tuned. Watch through the whole video and you'll see the different sleep setup than last time. Last time it was just a straight air mattress on the ground. Doing something a little bit different this time. Great. I want to pull up in here. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. You're awesome. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Traffic always backs up around the tunnel at this time of day. I told myself I need to start doing some more simple overnight campouts as trial runs for the big one when I decide to take a longer trip over a span of a few days, finding campgrounds along the way. My bike is loaded down, that's for sure. I got 2 bundles of firewood on my back seat. That along with what's in my trunk. Like I said, it's definitely heavier. I think that has more to do with how heavy the bike is feeling than so the trailer being back there. I increased my rear suspension just because there is weight pulling down on the back of the bike. I highly doubt that you all want to see me stuck in traffic, so let's cut to another part of the video. Rerouting. We're taking a different route. Who has time to sit in all that? After all, it's not about the destination, it's about the ride, right? All right, y'all. about a mile and a half away. I cannot get there soon enough. Y'all, I am in pain. My helmet is really bothering me, and I know what it is. I ran some wires into my helmet because I have a little bit of a new setup, and yeah, this is not working. It's kind of digging into my head a little bit. I need to get to this campsite and do nothing else, pull this helmet off of my head. Yeah, you all, I'm gonna spend some time tonight after I set up the campsite moving some things around inside of my helmet. Oh my God. I've never had problems with this helmet being uncomfortable before, so I know it's self-inflicted.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Good. Turner E5.
Probably don't need to hang that anywhere. But that is the permit that goes up the post at your site.
Will do.
Some maps, and then here is a list of activities for the weekend as well.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a great weekend.
All right, I'll try to.
Yes, you will.
All right. Hopefully that stays right there. All right. Have a good one. Oh, feel better already. Loops E and F. Last time I was here, I stayed at E1, if I'm not mistaken. It was either E1 or E2. So we're in the same loop as last time, just a different spot. So I'm curious to see which one that is. Oh man. Well, we are here. Let's get set up. All right, YouTube, what's happening? I'm out here at the campsite, and let me tell you something. It's not meant for me to record myself setting up camp. It's entirely too busy. It's entirely too much to do to be worried about the cameras. So you'll probably never see me actually setting up camp, but all right. We can get ready to cook some dinner, and nothing fancy. Cheeseburgers tonight, nothing fancy, and then got the fire ring over there, so we'll be doing that a little bit later. So we'll go ahead and get set up, and let's do some cooking. Alrighty, let's slide you back a little bit. Light, so gonna get that going. So I'm at the same park, Raccoon Creek State Park, but I'm at a different site. I was actually a couple spots down that way last time, and it looks like we're gonna have a considerable amount of company today. Either this is a really large family or a weekend school field trip or something, but there's a lot of kids here this weekend. All good, just as long as they're quiet when it's time for bed. All right, anyway, it took about maybe 30 or 40 minutes to get everything set up, but I was also managing a phone call while I was doing it, so I was a little distracted. Probably wouldn't have taken that long. Again, the tent, it went straight up with no issues at all. So yeah, I'm good. So let's we're gonna get these burgers going. What time is it? It's about 7:30, so got about an hour and a half worth of daylight left, and then I'm gonna get the fire ring lit up too and kind of enjoy. This is my poison of choice, so I don't really drink a lot of alcohol, So got plenty of these to go around though, so it'll be good from that standpoint. And like I said, I brought some burgers for tonight and some brats for tomorrow, and we'll probably get out of here around noon tomorrow. We got decided until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but do have a couple things to do tomorrow, so probably won't be here until 3 o'clock. But yeah, this is pretty much, got my terrible towel here. It's kind of a utility towel right now. It's anything that I need it for, just kind of there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna do some cooking and I'll get back with you all. All right, got dinner out the way. Made a couple cheeseburgers. It was nothing special to record or anything. And I have the campfire going now, right next to me. So let's bring that back around. But yeah, I think I'm going to grab my iPad and watch a movie, hang out by this fire, and that's pretty much going to be an evening. It's cooled off a little bit, but it's not cold. Outside is really nice out. Met some really nice people already, and yeah, just hanging out for the night. I didn't put the rain fly on the tent. It's not supposed to rain tonight, and kind of want to see how that goes without having the rain fly on there. So all right, good morning, you all. Just making sure I'm in the frame. All right, good morning, YouTube. Spent the night here last night. It was a real quiet night. If you notice, I didn't put the rain fly on the tent, and it was a 100% clear night. And even though there's dew in the grass, there's absolutely none in the tent. It was a real easy night. It was a little chilly, but I do have a space heater inside, so that really kind of did things. As far as having the cot set up with the air mattress, I think I liked the other setup just a little bit better. I didn't have a bad night, but I think I know what I prefer going forward. So what I'm gonna do now is probably cook some breakfast. There's already a campfire going over there, just kind of warming up a little bit. It's probably in the 60s right now, so, and it was a little bit chillier than that when I started the fire. So I'm gonna go make some breakfast and do a couple things. Who knows? So stick with me, and we'll see where the morning goes. All right, breakfast is almost served. All right, y'all. I just got done eating and putting everything away. As you can see, that's almost all the way cleared off. But yeah, I'm gonna take a minute and kind of enjoy this spot in the shade that I found. And probably grab the tablet and do a little bit of planning on some things, and then probably start getting packed up and ready to go here. But this one, I gotta say, was more successful than the last one, and the last one wasn't a problem at all. I had a few challenges, but this time around, like I said, the biggest thing is I was armed with information this time, so I kind of knew what to expect. I brought some things with me the last time that I really didn't need, left those things at home. Packing process was easier. So yeah, getting used to it. And the next thing is going to be trying some other locations. This one was, like I said, a really quick decision. I knew exactly where to go, exactly what to do. So the next one, I'm going to try a different park that's got some lakeside campsites and everything. So that should be pretty cool. And I have a few weeks to get ready for that. So I'll probably even take a ride out that way to kind of scope the territory before I confirm my plans, just to make things a little bit easier. But I'm enjoying it. Only the second time I've done it, but there will definitely be more coming for sure. All right.